Yes, a very big welcome back to our page, IdeaBoy.kaniye. And for this video, I'm talking about the thumbnail. And before I do that, I just want to congratulate myself. I finally gotten a name. If you watch my previous video, I said that by the time I'm making the next video, I'd have finally gotten a name, and the name I'm using is IdeaBoy.kaniye. And so for this video, I'm talking about the thumbnails and what just came up to my head very early while I was editing another video. So before I begin and tell you what came to my head, I want to just tell you the origin story of how I got to get this idea, or some people may call it revelation or whatever you want to call it. I was editing another video for my other page. Should I say the name? Okay, I can just say it. The video I was editing was concerning Pi, the Pi network that perhaps by the time you are watching this video, it may have become so much popular and all that. And so I talked about it before it was even launched. Today is about 28th of October 2024. So I was editing the video and I was thinking of the thumbnail to use, because for my page I'm not really using thumbnails because of the stress of after editing thumbnails you have some little views and all that. Sometimes I spend about 6 to 7 hours editing only thumbnail alone. And so an idea came to my mind that for this video I should definitely do a thumbnail. And I was thinking of, okay, what type of thumbnail I should do while I was editing the video. Some ideas came to my mind and all that. The reason why I'm going to do thumbnail for that video is because of how long it is. You understand? Because and the usefulness of the video as well is going to be useful for the future purpose. Some people will see it later in the future, and so like, okay, I have to create a thumbnail for it. And so while I was thinking of thumbnail to use, an idea came to my mind. Now I'm done with the story, almost done. Now I'm going to linking it to what I was trying to say. An idea came to my mind that, okay, instead of just having a regular thumbnail that other people use, why not have a thumbnail that specifies the time period? Because the video is a very, very long video. And so for small YouTube pages like mine, as of today's date, that has like 16 subscribers, not too many people who want to watch a 19 minutes video or 16 minutes video of someone that has just 16 subscribers. If someone has like about 300 subscribers, initially a new person watching your video will initially want to just watch it. Like, what are 300,000 people watching your video that you are doing 19 minutes long? But a small page that has few subscribers and you are making 19 minutes long video and you are having just one subscriber or one view, why would someone want to click on your video? And so it's because I still want to create thumbnail again, and the idea just came to me that you have to put timestamps on your thumbnail. I don't know if you're getting me. Well, rain is falling, so I make it as quick as possible to put timestamps on the video. Oops, I have to go now. I have to pause this. Yes, I'm back. And so as I was saying that you should put timestamps on your video, and the reason because as a small YouTuber, nobody will want to watch your 90 minutes video if you have just one view. That is a normal phenomenon. If I should see a video 90 minutes long, the person has just one view, two subscribers, most definitely I may not be propelled to watch it compared to someone that has like 300k view. Although it depends on the type of content, but in a normal general sense, that is what is going to happen. And so, which is why I said that you can put timestamps on it as your thumbnail. You may design it as well, but The whole thing about this is that I may start doing it for my videos as well. It depends. Although this message may just be for a particular person, you never can tell who this video is for, which is why you should share it. Maybe for someone that you don't even know, or someone that I don't definitely already know. The fact that you don't see me doing it doesn't mean that it's failed or something. It's just that it is for somebody. This message that just came to me this morning is maybe for somebody, and this is why you should share, because you never can tell what this thing is for. But if you are seeing me do, if you are seeing me doing it and I am successful in it, just know that it is what came to me. Perhaps the message is for me as well, but it is something that I will look onto and see what I can do. And one of the reasons why I'm saying this is because if you watch YouTube videos and all that, they'll tell you that the success for a successful video, how can I put it? You know what I'm trying to say? The procedure, the process for a successful video, one of the criteria is your thumbnail. And if your thumbnail is good, you attract people. But the truth is that, oof, that was very, very scary. I just saw a mad lightning before this stroke. I don't know how I'll look in the video, but the truth about it is that the fact that it doesn't apply to all YouTubers, which means that there's a flaw in it. There's a flaw in what you see online, because if you look at the success rates, although it's helpful, but it doesn't help all YouTubers, or doesn't help the majority of the YouTubers, which makes me question that, is this really true? Is the thumbnail really that useful, or what is wrong with the thumbnail? Because small YouTubers also, they use the same catchy thumbnail that the big YouTubers use, but yet not getting the mad views, which is why I kind of believe that it may not be true that the thumbnail, although it is useful, but not the way they put it, as that it has to be very, very catchy and all that. There's a video I watched of Mr. Beast maybe like last week or so, when he was still very, very had very, very few subscribers, and he didn't have any thumbnail. I don't know if by the time Mr. Beast started making YouTube videos, there were anything like thumbnail, but that video, he didn't have any thumbnail. The video was like, I think he set the video like 5 years apart from the time that he was doing it or something like that. And there wasn't any thumbnail to it. And still it has millions of subscribers and millions of followers. Maybe people, when the thing launched, people started watching the video, but as at that video, there wasn't any thumbnail to it. I don't know if you are trying, if you get what I'm trying to say, that you should question what you are seeing online concerning how to be successful on YouTube. Is they are telling the success story of majority people, but what brought them there, it may not really be the thumbnail, it may not really be the catchy thumbnail. They're just telling you what they see that made them successful, which is why I believe that although thumbnail is necessary, but not all that. Because if you want to make a very, very catchy thumbnail, you spend hours in it.